Hello guys, in this video I want to talk about the Ticketswap application very shortly. Basically what this app is about, what you can do with it. Now it's a very interesting app that shows you all the events that are nearby to you, or events that are trending in your country, or soon to be events. As you can see here, find your next event today, tomorrow, this weekend, or explore all of them. You can even select the closest region where an event takes place currently or very soon. Like you click here, and if you click on the nearby option, it will automatically set that region, that city or whatever that region is, basically here at the top of your right corner. And you can basically see what event takes place in that region if you really want to. On top of that, you can search here artists or basically events or locations in the search bar if you want. For example, you search for Coldplay, press on him and basically follow them, and you will follow basically every event that they will be presenting basically. And other than the event part in this application, you can also buy or sell tickets. For example, if you already have tickets, at the bottom of your screen you can see that there is a discover, sell and tickets option. Click on the tickets one, and here you can basically import your tickets virtually here to this app. And if you want to use them, okay, if not, you can sell them. So right next to it on the left side is the sell option. If you click on it, you can sell your tickets here, and it even shows you how to do it, the how to sell option. Now for some reason the video doesn't appear here, but if you look a little bit down, you can see the show me step by step option. If you click on it, it will show you every step how to do it, how to sell your ticket. So it's really not that hard to do it. You can easily navigate in this app regarding anything that you want from it. So in a very big picture, this is what this app is about. It's not very hard to use, like I said, and it's worth using in my opinion. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.